Is Coupon AI a scam or legit? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at Coupon AI to determine whether it's a legit deal finding tool or just another online scam. So let's dive in. Coupon AI claims to enhance your shopping experience by using artificial intelligence to find the best deals on Amazon. At first glance, it seems like a smart price comparison tool similar to platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, or AliExpress. But with an AI powered search function, the big question is, does it actually work? To test it out, I searched for a gaming keyboard on the website. Coupon AI instantly displayed various products listings, supposedly offering the best prices available. When I clicked on a product, it redirected me directly to Amazon, confirming that the platform itself doesn't sell anything. It simply acts as a deal aggregator. This means it helps you find discounts, but doesn't process any transactions itself. So the question is Coupon AI legit? Based on my experience, I'd say yes. The website redirects users to official Amazon listings, meaning you're not buying from an unknown or unverified source. Additionally, Coupon AI has positive reviews on Scam Advisor and decent trust score, which further supports its legitimacy. However, while the tool does provide some useful price comparisons, the discounts may not always be significantly lower than what you'd find by searching manually. In conclusion, Coupon AI is not a scam, it's a real website that helps shoppers find deals. That said, it's always a good idea to compare prices yourself, making a purchase to ensure you're truly getting the best deal. So, have you tried Coupon AI? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.